Okay, we are back sa fucking warehouse. And we have problem. God damn it. Mali, ito nga. Hindi nga siya nabalik pag tinatry natin dito. Hatakin natin. Yan o. Hop. Accessory, ito. Yan, pinipiti ko na. Yup. Wala.
Walang tulog ng motor. Oh, relay lang.
Relay lang. God damn it. So, yup, simulan natin. Say, Drake, I heard you like him young.
I will crack what I said. I fought with Kendrick.
Say, Drake, I heard you like him young. Ano gusto mo marinig?
Absolute banger of a line.
Pagkakapon sa batch.
Yeah, take it. So, I think may idea kami kung paano to. Tingin namin yung carbon bar sa loob is na-stuck. So, titingnan namin. Ayan, yan yung motor. Yeah! Ayaw mo gamitin yung impact. Oh shit, we're connected. Ayaw mo gaano kadali yun. Check the gears, man. Tanggalin mo yun. Set aside yun. Of course, it ain't a fix without a strip bolt. Yeah, we're not reusing this shit no more. Okay naman. Siguro kailangan. So we gotta make this shit shiny.
Cabron below.
Yes.
Speaking of carbon, may EGR video tayo. Tuog sa may Fortuner.
Na-promote. Got 'em.
Yo, shit is inserting.
Yep. Misaligned. So make sure it's smooth as fuck. No catching.
Damn, I got a shit. Yep.
Kaya pala ayaw na ako pala kaya tatama pala. So yun, after 5,000 years,
Yep, nakuha na namin yung tamang timpla, tamang tune.
bruh,
Tamang tune. So yun nga.
man's tuning his wipers now.
Kasi yung una, tumatama dito, di ba? Una, sumasobra. Sunod, tumatama dito. Yun, ay sakto. Hey. Yeah!
So next na naman, look at that. Thanks Honda. Nag-chafe yung factory wiring niya. Wala pa akong ginagawa dito and nag-chafe na. What the fuck? Kaya wala akong ilaw ngayon. So na-trace ko dun. Dun talaga sa harness deep inside. So tatanggalin natin itong fender liner. Then, yeah.
So we got the car jacked up and we're sweating bullets.
So, we're taking off the clips. Tinanggal ko na yung mga clips dyan. Meron dito sa likod, dalawa. Then, ito. Isa. Meron din dito, taas, here. Oh my God, look how easy that shit is. So, dapat loose na to. Pwede na natin itupi. Yan. Ayan, you see that shit? Oh. They can't.
You can't.
Yeah, we're working with what we have. Ayan, you see it? Diyan, yan yung chafing point. At may natira tayong konti. Kukuha lang ang wire. Wait lang, BRB.
You're back. We got speaker cables.
Isa-solder pa ba natin ito? Nah.
That. Hindi, pati hindi rin maganda nagsusolder sa kotse.
Okay, I didn't fuck up. Hindi naman sila nakikita eh. You see darkness. Imagine nyo na lang nagdudugtong ako ng wire. Ay, di nyo naman kita kung paano ko ito dinugtong eh. Pero improper. Kasi, it's just a cheek light, bro. No need to worry. We see it now. Wow! Yan, minimelt natin yung
Wait natin
tune.
dito.
Pause. Babalik natin yung ano,
Yung weir loom.
yung wire loom. Siyempre, ilalagay na natin yung chafed end dito banda.
Ako may talagang namumuhay kay Kyle.
Damn. Got him.
And of course, hindi makukompleto ang Omega Jank. Pag walang... Ano yan?
That'll do for now. Yup. Remember kids, do as I say, not as I do. Ano na naman to eh, pansamantagal. I'll change it. Eventually. Wow, fixed! Look at that shit, that's fixed!
Lagyan mo dito ng tape para hindi gumalaw yung... Gumalaw yung loom dahil dun eh.
This is electrical tape, bro. What you mean? This is electrical tape. Diba? They won't even notice. Diba? Wala naman siya electrical tape. Ay, kita pala yung ano ko dito, nadugtong ko. So, I'ma do it properly. Kita pala eh. So, para magdugtong ng wire, you make an L. Yan. Make a fucking L. Then you wrap it around. Yan. Then you make a twist. Yan. And then with the L, you lock it in. Ganun lang yun, kids. Ganun lang mag-connect ng wire.
May binaba ko ngayon.
Yo, chill. Don't do the pigtail shit. Pero pag di naman kita, sige, pwede kayo mag-pigtail.
That's the rat tail.
Wow! Look at that shit. It works now. Bah,
Yep.
it's fixed. Now, to return all the clips.
Ah,
Watch
shit.
my clips. Jank. Ano? Jank fix. So, kasi... Ay, naka-jack nga pala.
Naka-jack pa.
Basta may ganun siya. There's a quick. And tingin namin is a sway bar end link kasi ito yung may butas na boot.
Dito sa baba.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
And ang jank shit namin na gagawin is
Babalik na.
babalik ta rin. And i-re-grease namin yun para hindi siya yung napuputikan. So, akala namin is the end link, pero hindi pala. Come over here. Lapit ka doon.
Fuck.Ista.
Yeah.
Ista iswi bar.
Yung ano, yung bushing.
Iswi bar.
We need to re-grease it.
Mister, no. No, mister, no.
Pag napasok ko to, tutuloy natin. Pag hindi, I ain't doing this shit. Abort.
Abort.
Wala kami sa time frame para mag-ayos kasi tatanggalin pa yung tie rod.
Tatanggalin pa tong tie rod ng steering rack.
So,
Which is, matrabaho.
ha?
Matrabaho, no? Nagtatanggalin pa tong tie rod ng ano.
Yeah.
Okay, so, binalik na namin lahat kasi yung sway bar, kahirap tanggalin ng...
No.
Tatanggalin pa yung tie rod, which is a task in of it itself. And wala kami sa time frame or sa wisho, so to say, para gawin yun. So, siguro dito matatapos yung video. I mean, sorry, pero it's a chill day. What can I say? It's a chill day lang dito sa may warehouse. And, yun nga, I mean, nagawa naman natin to. And then, okay na din. May mga na-check na tayo na preventive maintenance. So, yun nga. So, if you like mga chill days, mga ganon, like, comment, and most especially subscribe. And actually comment what yung gusto nyo makita. Kasi, I mean, may mga ideas kami kung ano gagawin namin sa mga kotse, pero gusto namin makita yung inyo kasi malay mo, dope naman siya, di ba? Malay mo, dope yung ideas nyo. So, like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next vid. Bye-bye!